Thomas here with my Trop's going to give you another how-to video. This time we are once again building something from the world of Fortnite. I was at a craft store the other day and I found paper mache anchors, and they're only about that big. And I thought, what can I do with that? There is a tool, harvest tool in Fortnite called the bottom feeder that is basically an anchor on a pipe with some chain wrapped around it. And I thought, let's make that into a hatchet and see what that looks like. Let's get to building. finished. Here is the end result. Overall, I think it's pretty cool. I took just a simple paper mache anchor, added a few little details on it, stuck a pipe in it, and made myself a Fortnite bottom feeder hatchet. Very simple to build. This is definitely something a beginner could accomplish. You just have to cut out a hole for the anchor for the pipe to go into, wrap it with some medical tape, and dirty it up. Can't beat that. Maybe you will try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friend with your Fortnite pickaxe harvesting tool miniature version for babies. Alright. Oh, okay. I don't actually mean for babies. Calm down. Maybe you'll get some.
Yay!
And inevitably they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them much props. There was a poll for what I was going to build next, and looks like Omega wins. So those of you who stayed tuned to the end know my next Fortnite is the Omega helmet with a template.